guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I'm showing you how to do a fortune teller, a paper fortune teller, or also called 4 cups. We need a scissors, and a paper. Let's do it! First, I need to make a square. Okay, then fold it like this. Open it again, and we got 4 parts. Okay, you need to put this corner to the middle, to all of them too. Okay, next make a square and then do it like this and do the same thing as before in this square. Okay, now we need to fold it horizontally and do like this. Ta-da! The fortune teller is done! You can do the fortune teller game with this fortune teller. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Bye!